It is here finally. I got my plaque, y'all. Okay, so unboxing. My unboxing. I don't know where to see this at. It's like a Christmas gift. Right. And it only helps that my birthday is next week. So thank you for my birthday gift, YouTube. So get ready to see this in the background of all my videos. Right. Because I worked my ass off for it. Excuse the language. And if you guys are new YouTubers or trying to get to this point, good luck. Don't give up. It's gonna come one day. You just need that one video. I can't get it fast enough. I'm trying too hard. Oh man. It's time. And I have my play button. Yeah. See Kiss Mark? Yeah, make sure y'all see the Kiss Mark. I almost cracked my tooth.
Look too happy. You gotta do like people do when they get a day engaged. You gotta show it off everywhere.
I am. Okay, y'all. For passing 100,000 subscribers, presented to Too Much Hair YouTube. I'm gonna have to show y'all. Just so y'all know, it's me. It's mine. Too Much Hair. You're welcome. Now, if I didn't express in the video, I am truly, truly, truly thankful and grateful. And I'm so happy to have achieved this milestone. So please stay with me, you guys. These are a few birthday pictures. I want to bring you on more journeys that I have throughout the next couple of years. So please subscribe and like and share my videos. And thank you again. I'll see you at 200,000.